This is how I make fried chicken. First, let's add pepper on the clean chicken parts. Add some salt. And also some amount of milk. And mix them all. Then, cover and soak in the fridge for an hour or more. Next, let's prepare the frying powder. Just like that. Now, it's prepared. So after an hour of marinating the chicken, mix and coat them with the frying powder that was prepared earlier, as you can see, like that. Now, let's heat this much of oil. Once it becomes hot, start frying the chicken or carefully submerge them into the oil. Let's make sure they don't stick to each other. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes until the coating becomes golden brown. And then, lastly, take them out just like that. You may use some kitchen towel to get rid of the oil, or do just like that. Now I'm all done. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a nice meal.